So this is the waterfall. Bailey and Fallon came with us. The water is running underneath us. I don't think it's very thick right here. I don't know, it feels like it's solid. Look how cool that is. There's a higher one that I'd love to see, but kids are cold, so we're not going to hike up today. So this is from above the waterfall. It kind of goes up, comes down, and it goes under this, and then it goes under all of the ice. And there goes Bailey. Oh, and Fallon. You okay? Oh, you all right? This area is literally right off the freeway. And it's pretty. And up above there is another big fall, but you have to climb up this rock and up to it. So that's for another day. But such a pretty area. So worth us coming. Merry Christmas.